Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Smoak. Please, if you could tell us a little bit about the experience with BigFoot Windows and Roofing.
Perfect. I love you. I like it. My house looks beautiful. Thank you so much for the good working. Very good job.
Yes, we're very happy. BigFoot Construction did a great job installing all the doors and windows. We have a lot of doors, and this apartment's on the 3rd floor, so they had to carry everything up the stairs because we didn't have a big service elevator for the doors. But anyway, they did a really nice job, and we appreciate all the help they gave us.
Excellent. In regards to the installers, the installation process.
Oh yeah, the Jorge and his son Jorge Jr. They both did a really good job helping us, and also when they first did the original quote with Brady, he was here a couple times.
Very beautiful finish. Everything finished. Professional working. Very good.
Yeah. Plus, it looks much nicer because the windows is a little.
The reflection, everything is good, and the color.
Yeah. So we have a nice garden to look at now all the time.
Super, love to hear that. In regards to the communication, what was that like?
Perfect, because we bilingual here. We speak Cuban, and Spanish English. We understand perfect. They're very good, very educated people, and doing all cleaning. They leaving everything clean before he left.
Yeah, they did a real good job.
And moving all the furniture, he helped a lot.
Yeah, we kept everything, cleaned everything up because we had some experience with some work in the bathroom with somebody, and they get near the end and just leave. So that a lot of people do that around here. So anyway, these guys do a really great job. So anybody's looking for this type of work, I recommend BigFoot Construction.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Smoak. Enjoy your new windows and doors.
Okay.
Thank you and your team because they make a very good job. We recommend it for everybody doing that.
Thank you.